Okay, so there was some problem in the previous. So you have to see the previous video, then you come to this video. So it will be totally clear about the presentation software. So you already know about how to save a presentation. Now I will say you how to see the slideshow. How to see the slideshow, but before that, I have to say one interesting thing to you. In my next slide, I will say that by annotating. So in MS Word, you have learned that after the MS Word, anything is saved in MS Word, we use DOCX, docs. In the presentation, if you name your presentation as chapter 6 PPT, then it will be saved as, or it will be saved as chapter 6 PPT dot PPTX. PPTX, the PowerPoint will save it as PPTX. Suppose in MS Excel also you will see it will be saved as Excel Access. Like this in presentation it will be saved as PPTX. I hope you understand. Thank you. How to view a slideshow? So you just okay, my dear children, you have already learned about the how the presentation saves the PowerPoint, how the PowerPoint saves the presentation. Now we will see how you can see the slideshow, because they are the slides and you can view these slides in form of a slideshow. So how you can view this form of a slideshow? You just go to this slide pane and just click on this slideshow. You can see over here it is showing slideshow. Just click on it and it will show you the total slide what you have made. The total presentation will be shown in a arranged manner, how you have prepared your presentation. Just it will show. So you have to go to the slide pane and click on the slideshow button. How to close a presentation? You can either go to the file tab and close over here, and also you can do it over here. And how to open a saved presentation? It is same. You go to the file tab and you open this. Suppose I have made one presentation, bacterial diseases. If I want to open this, I will go to the file tab and I will open this. So this is how you will open a presentation. And how to open a presentation, there is a shortcut key. You must be knowing. For the shortcut key for opening is CTRL plus O. So student, you know that CTRL plus O is the shortcut key for opening the presentation. Now we will learn about editing an existing presentation. How to edit an existing presentation. First is how to add a new slide. You can see it is very easy. You just go to the home tab. You can go to the home tab in the ribbon. You can go to the home tab in the ribbon and just click on new slide. It will show you the new slide. Then how you want the layout of the slide. मतलब slide कैसा होना चाहिए? There is a layout option over here. Just beside the new slide, you can go over there and you want the slide to be like this. Comparative slide. So you can do it. If you want the layout to be like this, title only, you will do like this. You want a layout like this, you will do like this. So this is how you change the layout. If you want blank, nothing is there. So like this, to change the slide layout, and you have to delete the slide. And just suppose I want to delete this slide. Just click on the slide and press delete. It will be deleted. Okay. And how to have a navigation? How to have a navigation between the slides? The navigation between the slides, you can have the navigation pane, and you can have, if you want to go to slide number 2, slide number 1, slide number 3. Like this, you can move to different slides. And now, how to exit the PowerPoint, you already know. You can close button or you can use a file and exit. So there is a shortcut key coming. Yeah, there is a shortcut key coming. Please note it down. That is CTRL plus M, used to have a new slide. To insert a new slide, you will use CTRL plus M. Okay. Next is some keywords you have to remember. The keywords is layout. Layout. The layout means arrangement of items making up a slide in a presentation. 1 minute. Give a heading keywords. Keywords. It means you can also change the design. I have forgot. You can also change the design over here. See, I have changed the design. See. Or this one is better. See, keywords. So please write the keywords. Layout. You already know layout. Home tab. This is the layout. The next is navigate. Navigate. The next is placeholder. This is the placeholder you can see over here, in which I am writing. Then slide. You know what is a slide? The basic definition of a slide is single page in a presentation. You can just give this basic definition, that is single page in a presentation, and also you can write a slideshow, what you have seen over here. So with this, thank you, my dear student, for joining, and stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you. Bye-bye.